Hey guys, it's me Hassel with WTI, and this is Scandalous by Victoria's Secret. This one I got a while ago. Yes, you see how little I have, and it's been one of my favorites for a while. This one is a 1.7 ounce one. Yeah, it's not the big one, but I still get the most out of it. Its floral scent will make you feel so feminine yet playful all day long. This perfume actually stays on for 5 to 6 hours. I would suggest you spray it over your favorite moisturizer. That way it's gonna stay on longer. That's what I always do with my perfumes. I first put on some moisturizer, some body lotion, and then I spray on the perfume. Or you can use body oil as well. It's gonna do the same thing. And about the packaging, well, it's a light pink bottle with beautiful letters printed on the front. It says, of course, Victoria's Secret Scandalous in gold. I think it's a good size, and you can also take it with you in your purse. It's very handy to carry around because it's not going to take up too much space in your bag. This is one of my favorite perfumes. The bottle is beautifully designed. It does last longer over moisturizer, so always keep that in mind. But it's a very special perfume. You're not going to regret it, and that's just my point of view.